Hi guys and welcome back to Flower's Vlogs. I'm Flower and today me and Miley are going on an adventure in the bush and we get to go to the dog wash. Alright, let's go. I'll meet you there. Bye. See you there. Come on, what are you waiting for? Throw the stick. Come on Miley, let's go. Hey, I want that stick. Okay, you can have it. Thanks. I want that stick. No, I want that stick. I want that stick. Give it to me. No, give it to me. Hey, come on, let's go fetch the stick. What is it? Oh, there it is. I got it. Hey, I want that. I'm tired. Me too. Let's have a rest. Oh, this grass is delicious. Hi. Hi. I'm gonna go now. Oh, stick. Yeah. Shake. Okay, I'll shake. Hey, good girl. Do I get to do shake? I'm gonna wish now. Okay. Alright, Lightning, it's time to go. Okay, I'm going. No, Lightning, not that way. Oh, okay, I'm coming. Enough time. I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun, isn't it, Lightning? I can't wait. It's gonna be so fun. I'm already in. Come on, can you wash me now? I'm really excited to be washed. It's gonna be so great. Right, Lightning? Lightning, what? Oh, this is the best. This is the worst. I hate baths. Oh, can't. It's the worst! Get me out of here! Calm down, Lightning. It's actually pretty good. No, it's not. I hate getting washed. It's so good. Why did you get to go first? I wish I went first. It's so good. Why do you hate baths, Lightning? Okay, well, I don't really hate them. They're just not my favorite thing. You love them. Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's the spot. Ah. Hey, what did you start? Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. See? Okay. That was so great. Why did you stop? More. Thank you. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!